Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about fire extinguishers and fire safety out in the field. So we're getting to that time of the year. Some guys have already made some hay. It's starting to get drier. Sounds like it's going to be quite warm this next week again. And with the dry conditions that we're seeing, just make sure that when you go to the field that on your tractor, if possible, have an ABC fire extinguisher. It's nice to have one of those red ones, or sometimes they're yellow, but the chemical extinguisher in case you get some kind of an electrical fire from something rubbing against something hot. And then on your balers and your windrowers, make sure you have one of those. They're about a 2.5 gallon water extinguisher. Make sure that they're charged and that they stay charged, because you just never know when a guard hits a rock or a pickup tooth hits a rock and there's a spark and you've got a fire. It might be the difference between saving your machine and seeing it go up in smoke. Be safe out there, play safe out there. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.